On this one, it says, which expression represents a quadratic expression in completed factor form? Now, when they say complete factor form, they're talking about prime factorization. You can't factor it anymore. So now when I look at this looks right, but can I factor something out of 2x plus 4? Yeah, isn't that the same as 2 times the quantity x plus 2? So that is not prime. I got one more step to do. So that's off the list. Next one, same thing. 3x minus 9, 3 is the greatest common factor, so that's equal to 3 times the quantity x minus 3. So that's off the list. This is not a factor, that's a sum. You're adding. Factors are multiplied. So this is the answer right here, D. Because I can multiply that out. And if I were to multiply that out, I get x squared plus x minus 12, I think. Yeah, seems right. 4x minus 3x.